What's up, blockchain crypto kids? How y'all doing today? Today I am coming at you from BRG or Bridge Oracle. We're going to have a look at that today, going over some of the cryptos in my portfolio. I do hold a pretty dang large chunk of BRG, and I've been trading that quite a bit on both CoinEx and KuCoin using the Bitscat bot and also some different trading along, all the different trading that I do. So what is BRG? Well, BRG is a Oracle solution. Bridge Oracle is a public Oracle system on TRON and BSC. And it has made the list of BSC projects. Of course, you can pick it up everywhere that you pick up BSC type stuff, right? So, first ever public Oracle system on the TRON network. Due to the nature of blockchain systems, they are not able to access real-world data. Bridge Oracle system is a technology through which external data can be injected. Now, I got into Chainlink way early and made some pretty good profits there, that's for sure, and still holding. And what oracles are, is basically, you can't have a blockchain basically existing as on an island all by itself. I mean, you can. There are certainly, use cases for that. But if you're going to be a public blockchain and one that people are going to build on and build dApps on, you need to have agreed upon information. And that's one thing that has, we do have Just Link, but other than Just Link, it's been missing from the TRON blockchain. BRG also provides that for BSC. So real world data into the blockchain is important, and it needs to come from a verified source that we can all agree upon so that people aren't getting manipulated and so that there is, a third party. And so you need things like place, time, price feeds, things like this, things that we can all agree upon that happened and are unmanipulated. And so that's where BRG comes in. There's a lot of, because real businesses, giant companies, this type of thing, before they get involved into a blockchain, before they get involved in building, they need to know that everything's squared away, right? Everything is as it should be. There's not bum price feeds or bum information that can be injected into the blockchain. They need to be secure. And the more secure and the more trusted things are, the more large, builders will come and utilize that blockchain. And so BRG really helps bring TRON into, the bigger playing field and should allow larger DeFi type situations to consider the TRON blockchain and BSC. So pretty cool. Due to the nature of blockchains, they are not able to access real-world data. Bridge Oracle system is technology through which external data can be injected. Easy to use. There are various types of Oracle systems. Each type of Oracle has its own API contract, and that's here through through BRG. The only thing one should do is importing the appropriate API systems. The appropriate API, There are possibility to join Bridge Oracle system as an enterprise Oracle service. Service providers can make money by joining to Bridge system and selling dedicated data. They have two payment methods, both TRX and BRG. You get huge discounts using BRG, which is one of the main use cases of the coin. It's open source. Bridge Oracle is an open source project, and all the details have been publicly published. Various data sources. There are various data sources with which Bridge Oracle system is integrated. Users can implement each based on their own needs. Flexible usability. There are different features in the Bridge Oracle system. Using such features, users can fetch any time-dependent or time-independent external data into their smart contract. Oracle use cases. Smart contracts are a kind of application with tamper-proof context and clauses which are deployed and executed on blockchain networks. It means that no party and even creators are able to manipulate the codes and functions after the deployment. Thus, unlike traditional paper contracts or digital ones, which are programmed on centralized platforms and are exposed to alteration, termination, and deletion by trusted party or third-party person, smart contracts being parties into agreement and generate a novel of powerful class and trust without relying on trusting any party or third party or intermediaries. This feature turns smart contracts into a superior tool for realizing and implementing digital agreement. Watch this short little video.
Blockchain technology and smart contract are going to transform the world commerce through automating businesses. However, an issue exists there. For digitalizing real-world agreements, blockchain and smart contracts need to access real-world data, but due to underlying consensus protocols, blockchain is avoided to access external resources. So what? This problem is only solvable using Oracle systems. Brg technology is the first ever public Oracle system on TRON network, which has been developed to provide ability of accessing external data for developers' smart contracts. Because making smart contracts to be externally aware and capable of accessing off-chain resources is vital if they're expected to be substituted with manual and digital agreements in use.
Our services, BTFSs, Enterprise Oracles, Decentralized Oracle. Users can fetch data using the Brg's Decentralized Oracle and build completely distributed dApps. Random, Wolfram Alpha, URL, pretty much all of the different types of Oracle services and information that you could see out there. Here's the roadmap, and we're pretty much on point with the roadmap. Mainnet is being set to launch, and this listing on more exchanges, that's where stuff should get exciting. Exchanges we're currently on: Changelly, LA Token, BW, Swap Space, obviously KuCoin, Poloniex, and then they just had a new listing. We'll go over that in 1 second. Wallets, Clever Wallet, obviously Atomic Wallet Vision, Tron Link, all the Tron wallets, all that good stuff that you would expect is all there. So let's go take a look at some of the information. So we have a circulating supply of 8 billion, and most of these are already out. The max supply is 10 billion. I could not find any type of burn system or any way that these tokens are destroyed or anything like that, but with the staking, a lot of these tokens should get locked up, which should decrease this supply and help the price. However, with a total supply of 8 billion, that can keep, and a total max supply of 10 billion, that can certainly keep the price in a range. And I would think that getting over $1 for this would be quite a feat. But probably by the end of 2021, if I had to give a price prediction, I would say we're, be somewhere around 75 cents to $1. Market cap right now, 1 billion. So this is no micro cap. This isn't a small cap. It's ranked at 210. So one of the bigger players, safe enough to pour a good amount of money into and not have to worry. And right now we're on a nice dip, but I would imagine that prices are going to be going up pretty soon because they have some different stuff going on, such as, we'll stop by Twitter here, the staking on the newly listed exchange. By the way, Brg Oracle recently verified on Twitter. They are extremely active in on social media, which is one of the benefits they have going here. Here's someone giving a price prediction saying that we're going up 300% in this next bull run. I would certainly could easily see that happening. I can't really imagine why it wouldn't. So top DeFi projects by social activity, you have BRG running number 10 in there, which is pretty good because, number 1 being SafeMoon, which is, that's all they are. And then Cake, Polls, Link, Unix, Zill, like Zillot, DAO, SXP, and Rune, all rounding out the top 10. And then BRG, pretty good. Not too bad, sitting down there on 10th. So right now they started the staking, and the staking rewards were pretty ridiculous. 1,368% ROI. That's caused a slight bump in the price, and a bunch of people jumped into that pool. So now the rewards currently down to 879%. Pretty damn delicious, 879% API. So, that's that should send some people running and should, keep us bumping in the price. But a lot of people will be getting involved in the staking, and hopefully a lot more of these delicious little BRGs get all locked up. On Twitter here, they do regular giveaways, and they are super active and super busy with a total following of 139,000 followers, which is pretty crazy. Stopping by the white paper, we'll look at how they're splitting up the tokens, which I like the way this is split up. Legal audits, 5%. Team, only 10%. That's how it should be. Marketing and business development, 10%. Another 10% simply for developing the blockchain. Operations, 10%. Reserved for the staking pool, 20% of the total supply. Not bad. 15% was released during the private sale. Another 20% on the public sale. So, like I said, only 2 billion left before the entire distribution is made, and so not far at all. A lot of that will be coming out during through the staking. Tron dApps market gets a boost as the Brg Oracle all set to launch the mainnet soon. Not out quite yet, but will be soon, and we should be expecting a nice bump from that. Brg Oracle will soon be launching services on its mainnet that will permit users to implement real-world dApps on the Tron network with the help of Brg Oracle. The mainnet will enable users to deploy real-world connected decentralized applications using Brg Oracle on the Tron network. Pretty cool. So this should not only help BRG, but should help Tron as well, especially once this mainnet is launched. The launch of the mainnet is always a landmark moment for any blockchain project, as it officially signifies that the blockchain platform is open to the general public and that it's set for mass adoption. The blockchain project launches its mainnet services when it decides to extend its official product in the market, releasing the product for real-time operation and production. Spokesman from the Brg Oracle team stated, "It's an exciting moment for us to announce the launch of our upcoming services on our mainnet. We have waited for this moment for so long, and to see it finally unveiling feels extremely special. Our upcoming mainnet launch will allow you to deploy real-world connected dApps using Brg Oracle on the Tron network. It's about time you start to prep up by creating your dApps on Shasta and Nile testnets. We will soon be coming up with more updates." So, pretty cool. Lots of developments, lots of stuff going on. We'll stop by and have a very quick look at the team. Top advisors, Sydney Efrigan and Mike McCarthy. And here's our CEO here. His name is Hakan Estavi. I don't know. I've only read it. I've not heard anyone pronounce it, but Estavi. Hakan Estavi. He is extremely active. I'm following him on Twitter as well. Anyway, I got pretty loaded up on BRG, and I'm pretty stoked about it. I'm thinking that, a really easy 4X from here should be, is in the cards. Not financial advice. Obviously, do your own research and all that good stuff. I just wanted to bring to you Brg Oracle, a little about it, and let you know I'm pretty excited about this one. I think that we're in early here. I got it early on Chainlink, and I expect to have a similar nice time here. I'm not saying the price could ever hit this as with Chainlink, because there's only ever going to be 1 billion Chainlink. We're halfway there now. So they do have a lot more, 50% of the supply still coming out. BRG, not so much. They only have, 20%, maybe 10% left to come out. I didn't actually bust out the calculator, and I've learned long ago not to do math on videos. So anyway, lots of good stuff coming for BRG. I think we have a great token here, and looking for a great future with this one. So like, subscribe, all that jazz. Crypto music coming at you with another crypto video, and let me know what coins you're into down below. Appreciate you. I'm out.